Thutha wa ciĩko cia wĩkinaĩ kwĩrĩkana nĩ ciongererekete Naikuru ya irathĩro na ya ithũĩro, rĩu honge cia ũgitĩri nĩ ciĩkinyĩtie matũũra-inĩ maya nĩguo kũhĩtana na ikundi iria marauga ciĩyũmbĩte na kwagagia aikari, na oho ekinaĩ ikundi-inĩ ici makerĩkana gũkanĩrĩra na gũtiga aikari na hahũ.
Because they are known. We have a group we are called Confirmed. We have another group called Maoki and another group called TZ. These groups were fought seriously here in Nakuru North, hizo areas za Bahati, Nakuru East. Now is like they have seen another hideout in Nakuru West.
Ihinda-inĩ rĩa kiumia kĩmwe kũrerĩkana atĩ andũ atatũ nĩ moragĩtwo nĩ ekinaĩ gĩcigo-inĩ kĩa Naikuru ya ithũĩro.
Ilianza Sunday wakati mmoja wao aliuliwa, lakini hilo za kuaminika zinasema waliuana wenyewe kwa wenyewe. Wakabeba mmoja wao wakaenda kumtupa hapo kwa mahindi, hapo steamer line kwa mahindi. Mtupa hapo usiku wa hiyo Sunday, wakaanza fracas, ati mmoja wao aliuliwa na Masai. Wakafanya biashara ikafungwa, wamebeba mapanga, wamebeba marungu, wamebeba mawe. Wakipatikana kwa barabara wanaweza kukatakata ama wakupige.
Aikari a Ponda Mali, Ronda, Top 10 na Steamer Line marĩ hatĩka-inĩ makĩria yohagũku wa ũgitĩri.
Angalia jana, kama jana nikiangalia from afar, they were over 40 armed with pangas, with the rungus, with stones. So ukijaribu kukaribia wao ni hivyo. Sasa hizi hata tunakaa na wasiwasi. Kuanzia hapo kwa samaki kwenda hivi, ikifika saa 1:30 saa 2, don't you dare kupita hapo ukiwa peke yako. Jana natoka kwa kibanda, hata asubuhi kuna siku amenigongea hapa. Kuna kanjia hapa hivi mpasuni, kuna kanjia hapa. Nilikuwa nakuja kazi saa 12, naje saa 12, nikagongwa mpaka niko na alama.
We are coming for them and we won't allow them to transform into that group that was there before. So we will put a crackdown on them from, we did it yesterday, we will do it tomorrow and thereafter. And we are doing it in both east, west and north.
Kwa ihinda, borithi nĩ makoretwo makĩgeria kũhũrana na ikundi cia wĩkinaĩ Naikuru iria kaingĩ citongoragio nĩ nyanake nini na gũcũngĩrĩria hahũ gĩcigo-inĩ gĩkĩ. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, Getwo Karo, Kĩnyugo Mwaũra.